It's just a matter of adding mothballs to your coffee grounds, and you'll never have this problem again. It's simply amazing. That's right. You definitely suffer or will suffer from this problem in your home, and with just this tip, you'll never let it happen again. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to take 3 mothballs and put them on a paper towel. It can also be a cloth, okay? Let's fold it this way and then crush the mothballs very well. You can use any object to do this process. Once you've done that, now let's take a container, preferably with a lid. And now, we're going to put all the crushed mothballs in here. Next, we'll need coffee grounds, okay? That's right, coffee grounds. It can be used coffee grounds too. That works as well, okay? Let's put 3 tablespoons here. Then we'll mix everything very well until it all incorporates. And here it's already done. And for those who haven't understood yet, this one, if it's not the best, is one of the best repellents for flies and mosquitoes. That's right, you're going to keep this at home all the time. If mosquitoes start appearing, or if you're going to a region with a lot of mosquitoes on your vacation, you can use this. I guarantee you'll never have this problem again. And for that, you're going to do the following. You're going to take another smaller container, put only a small amount of our repellent here. Look, this other one you can always keep at home. Now you're going to take a piece of a matchstick. If you prefer, you can also take a small piece of string, okay? This will serve as a wick for our tip. Let's position it right in the center of our container, and then just light it. And what's going to happen here? We're going to light the matchstick, and as soon as the fire goes out, it will come into contact with the coffee grounds and the mothballs. And right after it goes out, smoke will start to rise. And look, smoke is already starting to rise. And this smoke is simply amazing. It repels mosquitoes, flies, and insects because it has a strong coffee smell. So I recommend that you place it near a window on the outside of your house, okay? Or if you're going on a trip, going to the countryside, camping, or even to the beach, and there are a lot of mosquitoes, this will solve your problem. Just light it. Immediately, as soon as you light it, it will drive all these insects out of your house. When it's finished, you can extinguish the embers and store the remaining mixture again, okay? You don't need to throw everything away. It's really cool. You'll do it once and it will last for months. This is the terror of insects. Very easy to make, inexpensive, and it will solve your problem. We know that sometimes we avoid going to the countryside or the beach because of insects, but after this tip, you can already plan your trip because your problems will be gone once and for all. The smell of coffee with naphthalene will make insects run away from you. So try it in your home. I'm sure it will solve your insect problems.